went from the least realistic, and now we're gonna move up.
Ooh.
Which one is like the next amount of being least realistic? What one would get the number 2? Carter? Okay, good. Anybody agree or disagree? Want to share? This is number 2 right here. Do we agree? Anybody want to be disagree? Everyone looks pretty quiet. Well, I would agree that it's more realistic than the first one. For one, it's not outlined in black, right? Also, it's more realistic because I see that it has some lighter areas and some darker areas. Maybe making it look like there's some highlights and some shadows. Yes, Ray?
The other one's just a one color.
Which ones? On the top?
The number one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah?
You
That
mean
one's
the
all
orange
color.
one
Very
and
good.
the yellow one? Orange and white?
Okay, so then now I have a question. What makes
That's
this
my
one more realistic than number 2?
I don't know.
Isaiah?
Makes it like if you want to look at it like it has more, if you were to look at it, it would be like a super you probably feel like
Okay, it looks like there's more movement. I like that you use that word. What about it makes it look like it has more movement? Rand?
The details.
The details, yeah? Very good. It looks almost 3D, doesn't it? Like it's popping out. I noticed too they used some different shades of orange, and that helped a lot, making it look more 3D. Like on his face, there's some areas of some lighter orange. On his fin, some small areas of lighter orange. That made it look more realistic, more lifelike. And last but not least, then, we have fish number 4.
And then 3.
That's 3, and this is,
4.
how do we know what
all right, what do we know about this fish? Somebody I haven't called on yet, want to share? Yep.
I actually like that orange one because it has 2 different colors.
The one with the 4 by it?
No, 3.
Yeah, yeah. That is a nice one. That is quite realistic.
Like there's one over there, like that painting over here that I can see is like way over there by your desk.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. So I wish I can add some more details.
All right, so I will just kind of, for time's sake, I'll kind of explain this one to you, the number 4 fish. Number 1, it's not outlined in black. Number 2, it's got areas of darker orange and lighter orange. And this artist also did a really great job of including texture. And what I mean by texture, right here. See how they use like, it looks like they use almost a different kind of tool to do it. Instead of just a flat paintbrush. Isaiah?
There's one thing I found on number 4. It looks like the fins on it look like they were painted
On number 4? The fins look like what?
on. They were painted on.
They were painted on, yes. Maybe using some really light strokes. See how they're kind of wispy, the fins on number 4? Brianne?
The scales look like you can just touch it.
They do, yes, exactly. That's why it's such a good example of texture, because it looks like you can reach out and touch it and feel it. Very good. When I first look at that, I think maybe I could use a Q-tip or something to give it a different texture where that lighter gold orange is. But yeah, so very good. You can cross